Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 2 of class 8 mathematics exercise 2.2, which is scientific notation or standard form. Okay, in case of writing very lengthy or long number digit, it is really tough for us to remember that number. That's why the scientific term or the standard form of a number is required to denote that number. Okay, so first of all, the question is, what is the standard form or the scientific notation of any number? Is the form of number expressed in the form of k into 10 to the power m, where k greater than 0 and less than 10 and m is an integer, is called scientific notation or standard form of any number. Okay, as a number written as in the form of 3 into 10 to the power 5. So 5 represent to m and k represent to 3. So 3 is less than 10 but greater than 0. So this is the standard form of any number. Okay, or this is written the power may be, or the m may be, or m is an integer, so it can be either positive or negative. So it can be like 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 also. Both are the standard or the scientific notation, standard form or the scientific notation of any number. Okay, let's see. As a distance of sun from earth is this much kilometer. To remember that one, we have to read that number in Indian number system. Then it will be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Means that is 15 crore kilometer. Okay, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, means 15 crore kilometer. Or if you write same number in the international number system, 0, then 3 and 6 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you write that one is international number system, then it will be ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, means 150 million kilometer. Okay, in the both the term what we have seen, that's a really lengthy number, a large big number, so it is not easy to remember that number easily. It may be we can miss the number of zeros, so the result will become wrong. So in that case, if you want to write that number in the form of standard form or the scientific notation, we have to just write that number. Suppose 1, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be like this. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It is 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, then 2, then 2. So, writing the term of writing this number in the standard form, what we have seen, the value of k must, it is written in the form of k into 10 to the power n. So, and k is greater than 0 and less than 10. Means we have to write, suppose we have taken 15, 15 is greater than 0. So we have to take only 1.5. Okay, so it will be 1.5 into, we are going to place decimal here. So just count the number of digits, number of zeros or the number of total digits which we are going to move towards leftward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means it's a 10 to the power 8. this is the standard form, or which is form of kilometer. So this much kilometer is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Okay? In the case of, if the decimal is going to be placed or move towards rightward, suppose the number written 10 point, suppose number written 10. So you can write that one 10.0, this is equal, or 10.00, this is also equal, 10.000 equal. So what I want to say, that if the 0, if you place 0 here, or after 0 there are 2 digits or the 3 digits, result will not change, all are equal to the 10. Means if you move the decimal sign towards, if you place a decimal sign to moving or counting the number from the right way, or the decimal move from right way, then we have to write integer number or the value which are in the power in positive. Okay, so write this one, and we'll discuss some question answers that make your task or work easy to understand how to write the standard form of any number. Okay. Look here, we are going to discuss some question answer of exercise 2.2. As the first question is given, express the following number in the standard form. Okay, so in the shortest way, you can write that one by just counting the digit or decimal by shifting the decimal towards right. Okay, means 3 means you are going to shift decimal here, it becomes the 3, means the k become 3, which is less than 10, means 3.87 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the power minus 9, because decimal is shifting towards right. Okay. Or the proper way to solve this question, which is 0.0012345678 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 8, 9, like this. Is it? You have just written this number. If you remove this decimal, means 389 by, for the decimal we have to write 1 here, and how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 10, then 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it clear? So it became, we can write this one 3.89 into 100. Can we write 3.89 into 100 is equal to 389. How it's happened? Look here, 3.89 into 100 is equal to 38900, and after that one there are decimal of after 2 digits. So after counting 2 digits from right, we put the decimal here, so it becomes the 389. So we can write 3.89 into 10 into 100. Okay, by 1, then how many zeros are there? 11 zeros, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means you can write 10 to the power 11. Okay, or this becomes 3.89 into 10 to the power 2 by 10 to the power 11. So finally what you can write? 3.89 into 10 to the power 2, and if we shift this one, so it become what? Minus or the negative. Is it? So you can finally write minus 10 to the power 11. Then what you will get? That 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 11 plus 2. So if the sign are differ, we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. What you will get? 9 and the sign of smaller one. So this is the standard form or standard form of number given this one. Okay. In case of this one, what we have seen in this question, the decimal is going to shift towards right. Okay. So the number is given this one. So we have to get the first digit. It should be, or we have to write that one in form of k into 10 to the power m. It means the first digit should be greater than 0 and less than 10. So it will be like this, 7 point. Is it? Is it? So in that cases, what we can write? We can write like this, 7.869 into 4 decimal 1. After 3 digits, then 1, 2, 3. If you multiply these two numbers, you will get this number. So it will be like this, 7.869 into 10 to the power 3. Okay? 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, question number 2 is express the following number in usual form. Means the number is written in the standard form or the scientific notation. We have to write in the usual form, means the normal form, as we are writing this number. So in solving this question, what we have to do? It means 9.126 into 10 to the power 8 means 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. If you multiply that one by this number, you get 9, 1, 2, 6. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After multiplying that one, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like this. Is it? So there are decimal after 3 digits from right. Just count the 3 digits from here, 1, 2, 3, and put a decimal mark. So the standard form of this number is 9126. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This is the standard form. Means after decimal, if there are zeros, this is meaningless. So you can leave that one. Okay. In this case, if the power is negative, then this means 3.75 by 10 to the power 9. Okay, and this means 375 into 10 to the power or 100 divided by 100 itna by 100 into 10 to the power 9, then you will get 375 by 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, as you know that one, this becomes 375. As you know that one, if the base are same, the power are different. In case of multiplication, the power is going to be added, means 2 plus 9. So it becomes 375 by 10 to the power 11. Okay, in that cases, we have to just write the number as 573 and count the 11 digit. This is 3 digit, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have to put a decimal mark. So it will be like this. Okay? Okay? Write this one. Look here, this is, write the number like this, 5, 7, 3, and the count, there are 11, na? So we have to count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then decimal, then 0. So this is the answer. Okay, write it. Look here, question number 3 is, mass of proton is 13.65 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram, and that of an electron is 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Find the ratio of their mass. So this is a word problem, so we have to write some steps as mass of proton is equal to 13.65 into 10 to the power minus 28. It's a given. Okay, and mass of electron is equal to 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 28. This one is also given. So they are written what we have to find. Find the ratio of their mass. So the first value is given this one. So we have to write this one first. So you can write that one, ratio of mass of proton and electron is equal to mass of proton. You can write like this, mass of proton by mass of electron. Okay, as the mass of proton is given 13.65 into 10 to the power minus 28 by 9.10 into 10 to the power minus 28. Okay, in that case both have same power, so you can cancel these two. Okay, next line you can write that one, or if you understood then you can cancel directly by seeing there are 2 digits after decimal here in the place of numerator and 2 digits after decimal in denominator also. So you can cancel this one, or if you want to write that one properly, that you can write 65 divided by 100 into 910, and for removing this decimal it will be 1, and there are 2 digits, so it will be 100. For this one, removing this decimal, it will be 1. There are 2 digits, so there are 2 zeros. Now you can cancel these two, and you will get that one 1365 by 910. If you divide that one, 1365 divided by 901, you will get that one. It will be 1.5 by 1. So the ratio is 1.5 5:1. This is answer. You can write here. So ratio is 1.5:1. Okay, this is answer. Write this one. Pause this game and write it. Look, the fourth question is convert the value given in the standard form. As the first question is, our Milky Way has 300 billion stars. Means we have to write the 300 billions in the form of, in the standard form. So we have to, first of all, we have to write that one 300 billion is equal to 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then this is billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So 1, 2 and this 3. So this is 3, 3, 3. This is 300 billion stars. So 300 billion is equal to this much stars, which is equal to, we have to write the first digit. Means as we discussed at one, k into 10 to the power m. So k, what we discussed, k should be greater than 0 and less than 10. Okay, less than 10. So this is the only one digit we have to, the first digit should be greater than 0 and less than 10. So it become 3 into, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So okay, 11 digits are there. So we have to write 3.0 into 10 to the power 11, or 3.0 is equal to 3, because we discussed initially that 3.0 is equal to 3.00 is equal to 3.000 is equal to 3.40, all are equal, is equal to 3 also. So all these numbers are equal or the same. So in place of 3.0 we can write 3 only. So this is 3 into 10 to the power 11 stars. So this is the answer. Okay. The next one is Kepler 452. Another Earth-like planet is this much kilometer away from the Earth. So this is Kepler is the name of planet like Earth. So we have to write this one standard form. First of all, write the number as given, which is 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 7, 3, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This much kilometer. The first digit should be, the first digit or the value of k should be greater than 0 and less than 9. So means we have to write 1 point like this. 1.3, 2, 4, 4, 7, 3, 9, 8 like this. So if you put 0, you can not want to put 0, the value will remain same, into 10 to the power, the count the number, because we are here, nothing is here, finally you can put decimal. As we discussed this one, as 3 is equal to 3.0, 3 is equal to 3.00, 3 is equal to 3.000, 3 is equal to 40 as it is. So if you put nothing is here, means there are sign of decimal. It means we are shifting decimal towards leftward. So how much digits we are shifting decimal towards leftward is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 10 to the power 16 kilometer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, pause the screen and write it also. Look here, question number G. Width of 1000 rupees currency note Indian is, although the one currency note of Indian is not working now. There is 500 rupee note, then after 2000 rupees note. But it's written 1000 rupee currency note Indian is this much kilometer wide. Okay, so we have to find that one in the form of standard form. Okay, so you can write that one 0.000177 kilometer is equal to 177 by, for the decimal 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 10 to the power 6. Is it? Or if there are any problem, you can just put 1 for decimal, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits, so 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write that one 1.177 by 10 to the power 6 like this. Okay, you can write that 1.77 into 10 to the power 2 or 100. I've written 100. Is it? So this is 10 to the power 6 and this is 100. So finally you can write that one 1.77 into 10 to the power 2 by 10 to the power 6. So if numerator goes to numerator, if the denominator goes to numerator, it becomes negative. So this is 1.77 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. Then finally what will get? 1.77 into, if the base are same, power are different, case of multiplication, the power will be add 2 minus 6. So what will get? 1.77 into 10 to the power minus 4. This much what? Kilometer. This is answer. Okay, write it.